you keep starting over again, even after promising yourself this time will be different. What if discipline wasn't about motivation, but about something much simpler and a little uncomfortable? In this video, I'll share 6 psychology-backed truths about discipline that will completely change how you control your habits, your focus, and your future. I discovered the real truth about discipline when I realized I was working hard every day but still not moving forward. I kept thinking I lacked motivation, but research showed something surprising. Discipline has almost nothing to do with motivation at all. The problem is, most people try to wait for the right feeling before they act. That feeling never comes consistently. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how discipline actually works in the brain, and how to build it even if you feel lazy, distracted, or stuck right now. Let's dive in. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people completely misunderstand discipline. Discipline is not something you have or don't have. It's not an emotion. It's not energy. It's identity in action. When you say, "I'm not disciplined," your brain accepts that as truth. But when you say, "I am the type of person who finishes what I start," your behavior slowly aligns with that identity. Research in behavioral psychology shows that humans act based on self-image, not goals. A study from Stanford found that identity-based habits are 3 times more sustainable than motivation-based habits. Your brain is constantly trying to stay consistent with who you believe you are. To apply this, stop saying, "I will try." Replace it with "I am." Choose one identity, like "I am a focused person," then prove it daily with one small action. Finish one task before distractions. Instead of saying, "I should study," say, "I am someone who studies for 20 minutes daily." But that's not all. This next one is crucial. Your environment is stronger than your discipline. Most people blame themselves, but they ignore their surroundings completely. Your brain reacts to cues. If your phone is next to you, you will check it. If junk food is visible, you will eat it. If distractions are near, discipline becomes 10 times harder. Harvard research shows that environment design shapes over 40% of daily behavior. Your brain is energy efficient. It chooses the easiest path automatically. That means willpower loses against convenience every time. To apply it, remove one distraction from your space today. Place your most important task in front of you. Make bad habits slightly inconvenient. Log out, hide apps, move snacks away. Instead of trying to resist your phone, leave it in another room while working. This brings me to the next secret. Most people think discipline means pushing harder. But actually, it begins with starting. You might be thinking, "But I don't feel ready." That's exactly the problem. Discipline is the ability to start before you feel ready. The first 10 seconds matter more than the rest. Neuroscience shows that action triggers dopamine, not thinking. Once you start, your brain releases motivation chemicals automatically. The hardest part is not doing the task, it's initiating it. To apply this, use the 5-second rule. Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and start immediately. Reduce the task to something ridiculously small, like opening the document. Commit only to 2 minutes. Instead of "I will work out," say, "I will put on shoes." Now here's something most people miss. Discipline is basically controlled discomfort. Every disciplined action feels slightly uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is not a sign to stop, it's a sign you're growing. Psychology research calls this optimal stress. When you push slightly beyond comfort, your brain builds new neural pathways. Without discomfort, your system stays the same. To apply this, choose one uncomfortable task daily. Stay in it for 10 to 15 minutes, without escaping. Study without music. Work without checking your phone. But wait, there's more to this. Too many people don't realize this. Discipline collapses when decisions increase. Too many options create mental fatigue. When your brain is overwhelmed, it chooses easy pleasure instead of hard work. Columbia University research shows that decision fatigue reduces self-control significantly. That's why successful people simplify everything. To apply this, decide your top 3 tasks the night before. Eliminate morning decision-making. Follow a fixed routine. Work at the same time, same place, same setup. Instead of asking, "What should I do?" your brain just executes. Now, let's go deeper. Discipline is not built in big moments. It's built in tiny, repeated wins. Every small completed task strengthens your self-trust. Every broken promise weakens it. Psychology shows that self-trust is the foundation of discipline. When your brain believes, "I follow through," consistency becomes natural. To apply this, set extremely small daily promises. Never break them, no matter how small. Start with 5 minutes of work daily, then scale up slowly. The goal is not intensity, it's identity reinforcement. Let's quickly review what we covered today. Discipline is identity, not motivation. Your environment controls behavior. Action creates motivation. Discomfort is growth. Too many choices destroy discipline. Small wins build self-trust. Remember, discipline is not about becoming someone new overnight. It's about becoming someone reliable to yourself, one small action at a time. You already have everything you need to change your life, but only if you stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start before you feel ready. Start with one small promise today and keep it. If you found this helpful, like the video so more people can break procrastination. Subscribe for more psychology-based growth content. And comment, what's one habit you will start today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.